friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful crochet flower vase bucket designs model. Let's start. A crochet flower vase bucket design is a handmade decorative bucket shaped vase cover created using crochet techniques and yarn. It is designed to hold artificial flowers, giant flowers or small decor items, giving a soft, cozy vintage cottage look. It is very popular in country farmhouse and vintage style home decor, which matches perfectly with the decor styles you love. A crochet flower vase bucket is a bucket-style container shape made entirely with crochet stitches, often round or slightly wide at the top, used as a decorative flower holder, not usually for water. Key features: bucket shape, short and wide like a small bucket, subtle base, slightly flattened opening. Use floral crochet patterns. Common designs include crochet rose flowers, daisy motifs, 3D puff flowers, layered petal flowers. These flowers are often attached to the front or around the vase. Yarn material usually made with cotton yarn, best for knit look. Use acrylic yarn for soft and colorful. Use 2+ yarn mix for rustic farmhouse style. Decorative elements often decorated with crochet leaves, small balls, wooden buttons, lace edging, pearl beads for vintage chic style. Style and look. Depending on colors and details, it can look vintage cottage style, use cream, beige, or soft pink. Country farmhouse style, use white, brown, or two shades. Cute handmade style, use pastel colors. Rustic chic style, use natural tones with texture. Why it is used? For coffee table decor, kitchen shelf styling, for winter corner decoration, for bedroom side tables, and handmade gift items. Why people love it? Handmade and eco-friendly, soft and cozy appearance, adds warmth to home decor, matches vintage and farmhouse interiors, easy to customize with colors and flowers. Here are more beautiful and practical tips for crochet flower vase bucket design, specially suited for vintage cottage, country farmhouse, and handmade decor lovers like you. Use a strong base, always crochet a tight, thick base. Use single crochet or half double crochet. Insert cardboard, plastic lid, or foam sheet inside for ship support. This keeps the bucket standing perfectly. Add an inner holder. Never place flowers directly inside the yarn. Instead use plastic cup, tin can, cluster. Then slide it inside the crochet bucket. Neat and long-lasting. Mix stitch texture. Make your vase more attractive by combining single crochet for base, puff stitch for body, silk stitch for top edge, popcorn stitch for flower centers. Texture gives a rich handmade look. Create a soft curved top. Avoid straight stiff-edged, try scalloped edging, peacock border, lace trim finish. This gives you a romantic cottage feeling. Use 2 or 3 color layers. Instead of one color, base color use neutral, cream, white or beige. Flower color use pastels. Leaf color use soft green. This makes the design look professional and elegant. Attach flowers securely. Sew flowers firmly. Don't glue. Stitches form the back for durability. Slightly tilt flowers for a natural look. Loose flowers spoil the beauty over time. Keep flowers count balanced. Don't overcrowd. Best option all big flowers plus 2 small flowers. 3 medium flowers outside floral cluster. Balance equal elegance. To soft color themes, beautiful color ideas: cream plus pink, white plus cheese cream, beige plus dusty rose, light gray plus lavender, natural jute plus ivory. Perfect for vintage cottage decor. Make seasonal designs. You can create different versions. For spring, use pastel flowers. For summer, use bright daisies. For autumn, use rust brown mustard. For winter, white flowers with pearls. Great for your continental stove. Add a crochet handle. Optional. A small side handle gives back a charm. Country style look. Hanging taker option. Very cute for wall hooks or kitchen corners. Keep size practical. Ideal size. Height 10 to 15 cm. Width 10 to 12 cm. Not too big, not too small. Perfect for shelf decor. Block the finished vase. Lightly shape it using a stem. Slight spray of water. Let it dry fully for a clean professional finish. Photograph in natural light. If you create content, place near window. Use white or wooden background. Add lace cloth or vintage books. This matches your decor theme beautifully. Tell a story with the design. Design with emotion. Morning cottage flowers, grandmother's unfed vase, a stick from house corner. This emotional touch make handmade decor feel special. Experiment with yarn thickness. Thicker yarn for sturdier bucket and rustic look. Thinner yarn for delicate lace-like vase. You can even combine 2 yarns for a soft textured effect. Add personalization, crochet letters or small motifs. Use names, short codes, home sweet home, and as a small tag for farmhouse charm. Use eco-friendly yarn. Organic cotton, bamboo, or recycled yarn gives a natural look and eco-conscious appeal. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!